character and charm infuse this artisan-inspired home with warmth, beauty and comfort. A trumpet vine-covered arch leads to a stone path and a hand-carved front door next to a covered porch. Once inside, you'll see the fine craftsmanship and attention to detail with the reclaimed oak hardwood floors, built-in bookshelves, and 2 cozy and comfortable built-in window seats with can lighting. This makes for a perfect reading area or a catnap. A vintage glass window acts as a pass-through from the living room to the kitchen, which has an accent wall of redwood. The vaulted ceilings have open beams and a pinewood surface. The home is equipped with central heat and air, a wood-burning stove, ceiling fans, double-pane windows and solid wood doors throughout. This spacious kitchen has tile floors, beautiful Mexican tile counters, a gas stove and a giant butcher block island with an additional prep sink that would delight any serious chef. Adjoining the kitchen is a sunny breakfast room with French doors that lead to the backyard. On the other side of the kitchen is another dining room that connects to the living room. The sunroom has an ample space to be a game room, office or guest room and has the added touch of reclaimed barnwood siding. The laundry room is located on this level. On this main floor, there is a bathroom with a large walk-in tiled shower, wood counters with a handmade ceramic sink and door to the backyard. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with a clawfoot bathtub and shower. A unique feature of a bookshelf that is open on both sides and an antique window are at the top of the stairs with a daybed. The master has vaulted ceilings and its own private deck. The 1.14-acre property is both usable and level with a seasonal creek and adjoins 100 acres of BLM land. A portion of the backyard is fenced and has 2 wrought iron gates designed and handmade made by a local artisan welder. The landscaped yard includes a variety of trees inclu